Hey there Omnisenders, welcome back to our monthly roundup of all things Omnisend. Now we know that not all product updates can sound as spicy as hot wings, so to keep things interesting for you, we've decided to spice it up a notch. Literally. For every update I present, I'll be diving into a hotter wing. Let's see if I can handle the heat while talking about what's been sizzling in the past month. Product reviews. And this is where the first wing comes into handy, and it's called I'm Fine. It has a heat rating of 4 out of 10, I believe, and I'm gonna dive in. You guys getting hungry? Product reviews are finally where they truly belong, at Omnisend, of course. It's a game changer, allowing you to showcase what your customers love about your products, turning them into a sales force. With this new feature, you can automatically gather reviews, display them on your Shopify store, and even boost your SEO to attract more eyeballs. Plus, your product ratings will appear in Google search results. It's basically giving your store a red carpet moment. This feature is currently available for Shopify merchants only. If you're one of them, we can't wait for you to try it. Automations. Alright, this is where the second one comes in handy. And it's got a heat rating of 7 out of 10, and it's called Armageddon. I'll be the judge of that. Some ASMR for y'all, folks. This one's kind of spicy, yeah. It's not terrible. It's still got some good taste. I like it, but it is definitely spicy. No milk. Check this out, guys. No milk. Next up, we've got a pre-built automation workflows. Wow. Next up, we've got pre-built automation workflows to help you get started with Omnisend product reviews. These newest workflows are tagged with Omnisend reviews label and come in 4 spicy flavors. Review request with a discount, review follow-up, and review follow-up with discount. They're like the secret sauce to gathering reviews, thanking customers, and turning feedback into sales. Customize them to your heart's content and watch those reviews roll in like hotcakes. Audience. Now, for the third wing, and I believe it's called the Brave Trolinsky, and it's got a heat rating of 8 out of 10. Let's dig in. Oh, this one builds. Oh, it tasted like nothing before. Now on to audience segmentation, where we're introducing a new ingredient, submitted product review events. Slice and dice your audience based on review ratings, titles, reviewer names, and even the attributes of products reviewed. It's like having a personalized seasoning for every dish on your marketing menu. Additionally, you can now easily see submitted product reviews directly within the contact activity, giving you a full flavor profile of their feedback, experiences, and preferences. Integrations. Now this is where the last one comes in, and I don't remember what it's called. I think it's called Miss Sharp Tongue, and it's got a heat rating of 9 out of 10. Come on, 9 out of 10. More like 0.9 out of 10. No milk though. No milk, no tears, no milk. Last but not least, let's talk integrations. We've cooked up something special with LNKey.bio and Chattermin WhatsApp marketing tool. The official LNKey.bio Omnisend integration makes it easy to sync your newsletter leads from LNKey.bio to Omnisend. It's a 2-minute no-code onboarding process, almost as easy as eating this hot wing and trying not to cry. Pretty easy, to be honest. And with Chattermin, you can add WhatsApp to your marketing mix. It's all about boosting your CLTV and retargeting those leads that got away. Talk about turning up the heat on your marketing game, am I right, guys? Well, folks, that's a wrap for this month's Omnisend updates and for my taste buds as well. Hope you enjoyed the spicy ride as much as I did. And remember, if you're craving some more flavor in your marketing, Omnisend has your back. Stay tuned for more sizzling updates, and until next time, keep it spicy, Omnisenders.